Welcome to the world of Gantner Instruments. In this brief 15-minute presentation, our goal is to provide you with a basic overview of the company, a review of the key markets and applications Gantner serves, and a breakdown of the products and services offered. So, let us begin. Gantner Instruments is best known for distributed measurement and control products that are targeted at high-demand test and measurement applications. The Gantner Electronics Group was founded in Schruns, Austria in 1982 as a center of excellence for emerging measurement and industrial communication technologies by Professor Wilhelm Gantner. Gantner introduced the world's first fully functional Profibus I/O module in 1988 and has continued with a steady stream of innovations since. In 2004, the instrumentation division of Gantner Electronics was spun off and the Gantner Instruments Company was born, to accelerate the development and growth that this product family deserved. In the short 10 years that followed, Gantner Instruments completely upgraded the product line and formed 8 subsidiary companies around the world to carry out the company's aggressive customer expansion plans. As a result, Gantner Instruments has enjoyed organic growth every year since inception. Gantner's philosophy has always been open architecture with open standards. The Gantner Instruments platform is completely open, with no dedicated software or licensing required, allowing easy integration with virtually any software or hardware system. Maybe this explains why Gantner Instruments is the solution of choice for the world's top OEMs and systems integrators. At Gantner, our focus is distributed measurement and control. We position our technology in the areas where we can provide the best value proposition for our target customers. Gantner 100% designs and manufactures all of the products we sell, optimizing them to meet these market needs. As a result, Gantner has delivered more than 300,000 products to hundreds of satisfied users to date. Gantner's customers can be found in 4 major areas. Engine testing, which represents approximately half of our business, where the fast, distributed, and synchronized measurement of real-time sensors in demanding environments is critical. Component testing, primarily in automotive and aerospace applications, where a wide range of dynamic measurements are required, along with some test sequencing and control capabilities. Structural monitoring of wind turbines, bridges, buildings, and dams, where long-term distributed, synchronized, and continuous dynamic measurements are typically required. And performance monitoring, where keeping track of conditions on machines, continuous processes, and complete facilities is required with a high degree of accuracy and repeatability. Let's review in more detail these 4 key market areas. In engine testing, whether it's a production test cell, an emissions test cell, an R&D test cell, or a durability test cell, Gantner Instruments is the world market leader in the instrumentation of powertrain test cells. Just ask our customers. In component testing applications in aerospace, e-mobility, automotive, and semiconductor markets, when measurement accuracy is critical, Gantner provides the flexibility and performance required to ensure that the highest in product quality is maintained, guaranteed. Some of the world's best companies agree. In structural monitoring applications such as critical electrical and mechanical measurements of wind turbine towers, the dynamic integrity and safety monitoring of bridges and dams, or the fatigue tracking and reporting on buildings or heavy-duty equipment, Gantner provides the long-term measurements and protection for structural assets around the world. Gantner is the standard that many rely on. When monitoring the performance and integrity of machines, critical equipment, and processes, even complete process plants such as power generation plants, the distributed nature of the Gantner Instruments platform provides the most efficient and effective solutions for mission-critical requirements. Maybe this is why Gantner is highly regarded by world-class companies. The product platform that enables all of these applications is the Q-Series family from Gantner Instruments, I/O with IQ, and truly the next generation in performance measurements. Let's explore the Q-Series in more detail. At the heart of all Gantner systems lies a common modular platform, allowing flexibility, expandability, and maintainability. This future-proof design is incorporated into all of the Gantner Q Series products. The Q Block, a modular DIN rail mounted solution. The Q Brick, a portable ruggedized data acquisition system. The Q Rack, a high-density 19-inch rack mount package commonly found in engine test cells. And Q Block EC, an IP65 hardened enclosure with integral EtherCAT communications. While the Q Series product family does offer several packaging options, there are a set of features and benefits that are common to all implementations, and this separates the Q Series from pretty much every other product on the market. It all starts with superior sensor conditioning. Every channel on the Q Series provides full 24-bit A to D measurement, supporting overall accuracies of better than 0.01% in extreme environments. Every channel provides up to 1200 volts of three-way isolation as well, eliminating the field noise or crosstalk issues that can be found on other products. All Q Series modules are configurable, supporting full-scale input ranges from 1 millivolt to 1200 volts, as well as conditioning for all sensor types. In all, there are more than 20 measurement modules to choose from, allowing you to mix and match to get the optimum system configuration for your application. Add to that our unique embedded logic, control, and programmable automation capabilities. Gantner provides the only system on the market that allows a user to custom program logic into each individual measurement module, supporting fail-safe algorithms, for example. Gantner also supports fast PID control, up to 10 kHz per loop, and user-definable test sequencing. The Q Series system has extensive math and logic functions to support the most advanced test requirements, and our built-in logging, visualization, and archiving makes the Q Series truly a standalone solution. Our open standard communication platform means that regardless of the destination and type of host system that you want to connect to, Gantner will support a medium to get you there. Ethernet, EtherCAT, Profibus, Modbus, to name a few, and customer-defined protocols are also a snap. Gantner provides the tools and the hooks to tie into any software platform, so no custom software is ever required. Finally, our application-inspired packaging options means that you'll never have to adapt a product to fit your installation. You can mix and match to meet each application need, all with proven off-the-shelf components. And when our standard options can't meet the need, Gantner stands ready and able to provide the custom packaging you need for one system or 1,000. The Q Series is truly unique. The Q Series system is composed of three key levels. First, the measurement and I/O level. In addition to being the point of I/O connection, the Q Series measurement modules handle all of the heavy lifting associated with the signal conditioning function. Each Q Series measurement module packs its own dedicated microprocessor and programmable FPGA, allowing all acquisition, isolation, filtering, linearization, alarm checking, math functions, and conversion to engineering units to be accomplished before the data is passed on to the test controller. Since each module is self-sufficient, adding modules or distributing them along the RS-485 communication does not degrade performance as it would with other systems. With more than 20 different modules with varying degree of performance, density, and flexibility, the Q Series can meet any application requirement. At the controller level, the test controller, either a Q Gate, a Q Pack, or a Q Station, has two primary real-time tasks. One, to synchronize the measurements from the multiple connected measurement modules, and two, to forward those synchronized and time-stamped measurements to the host automation system, typically over Ethernet or EtherCAT, which is just two of the many protocols that are supported. In addition, the controllers can be populated with user-specific programs to handle virtually any automation, sequencing, recording, or even visualization tasks locally without the need for a connected PC. These powerful gateway and pack options fit all applications and communication interface requirements and allow the system to be future-proof, such that if a new communication standard was to be introduced, we would simply add a new controller. The measurement module section is intact and future-proof. At the host or automation level, as mentioned, the Q-Series operates completely standalone without the need for a connected PC, as it is truly an intelligent test automation system. However, the need often arises to visualize and archive the test data with additional third-party tools. For this requirement, Gantner offers several methods for transferring the data, as well as being able to allow a supervisory host system to interact with the Q-Series platform. A wide range of software tools for configuration, data acquisition and control, archiving and analysis are available from Gantner Instruments. Q-Series measurement modules are available in 5 different housing options. More than 20 module types are available, supporting virtually any sensor or performance requirement. Simply mix and match to build the optimum system for any application, adding or changing modules with ease should the requirements change. Q-Series controllers are available in 3 distinct levels, depending upon the application need. The Q-Gate, a powerful data concentrator that provides ample performance for most test automation applications. The Q-Pack, all of the performance of the Q-Gate with added EtherCAT capability, more memory, and expanded host and slave interfaces. And the Q-Station, the maximum in performance and device interface functionality, with 1 gigabit Ethernet, EtherCAT, CAN, USB, and eSATA interfaces, plus user programmability and an optional operator interface. Building an automation system is easy with the Q-Series. You start with a controller, then add the appropriate Q-Series modules via industry standard RS-485 connections. No special backplanes or chassis are required. Up to 16 modules can easily be connected to a single RS-485 port, allowing systems of 512 channels to be accomplished easily. If you need more channels than that, simply add another controller, synchronizing the controllers together, and continue. When an integrated system is preferred, the Q-Brick, Q-Rack, and Q-Block EC housings integrate the controller and the measurement modules into a single housing. Q-Series is truly performance without limits. While the Gantner system can operate totally standalone without the need for a PC-based software package, Gantner does offer a suite of software tools to configure the system, provide easy PC-based visualization and logging of data, as well as tools to automate the controller programming capabilities should these be desired. In addition, Gantner provides a suite of open source support tools to allow easy integration of the Gantner Q-Series platform into virtually any legacy system. Full support of all major software packages is provided at no charge. When our range of housing and software options simply don't get the job done, Gantner can provide custom integration services, including custom enclosures and custom programming. With Gantner, you get the total solution with the maximum flexibility. When you think of Gantner Instruments, think of quality, service, and support. Our production is according to standards. We do 100% pre-test, burn-in, and final test on all of our products. Our MTBF calculations based on the components we use are just under 5 years, but based on the actual failures that we've had over the last 30 years is 31.7 years. Our product warranty is 2 years standard, and we have extended warranties available. We have worldwide service and support, 8 offices around the world, local technical support in every major area, and local stock and service. We've been in business for more than 30 years, and we've put more than 300,000 units successfully into the field. At Gantner, you can count on us. Extensive consultation before your purchase, practical support during installation, and direct and flexible service for the life of the system. Any questions? Give us a call. And thank you for your interest in Gantner Instruments.